Hey guys, it's Catfish, back with another video. And today, I'm at a little car meet out of Wheeling, Illinois. I'm gonna actually tell you where I'm at. This is a speed shop, man. It's crazy up in here. I'm gonna actually let you see where I'm at right now. This is where we are today. At Hochman Fabrication and Speed. It's in Wheeling. Yeah, these guys bad, man. There's some cars on the inside of the garage. Y'all see the pictures? Y'all see the trophies? One more time. That's where we at today. It's a little car meet, man. First thing when you walk in, you see this. Look at this thing. This is craziness, man. They got some stuff up in here. Look at that.
Unless it's keeping the front end.
I see that turbo.
It went back up that way.
Look at all these cars they got up in here.
What's going on, man?
What's up, man?
Oh, good.
Chill.
I saw you in the Mercedes-Benz pull up.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I won best Euro at the Tuna Gallery.
I saw you.
Okay, all right. I wasn't expecting to win nothing. Tony had that AMG GT, man. He took everything.
That yellow, right?
Yeah, buddy. Yeah.
I knew that was on last.
Oh yeah. I see it. Yeah, guys, a little car meet, man. I'll let y'all take y'all along with me, man. They doing some stuff up in here, boy. That is. That V-Tech motor. Yeah, Sersky. Got the turbo. This thing is bad, boy. This one nice too. 2JZ motor. Carbon fiber bumper. All carbon fiber. Carbon fiber fenders. Carbon fiber doors. Some clips. There's another one over here. He got Mickey Thompson's on the front too. Front wheel drive. This one got a full road cage. Full road cage on this boy.
It's like if you decide to come back.
There, shoot.
It's not like it doesn't.
That's all right, man. We good. Yeah, I see it. Another one, Mitsubishi. Oh, they actually in the process of doing this one right now. Yeah. This young lady right here, she got a Mustang that's bad as hell, y'all. We gonna go outside right now. She gotta tell y'all about this car. Come on, girl. We walking on out.
I'm following you.
I know.
But keep going a little bit, guys. We gotta get through. Excuse us.
That's all right, man. Come on. Y'all gonna be on YouTube, but that's okay. There's a lot of people coming through, guys. Plus, it's cold outside too. That's why everybody in here. I'm gonna go back outside. What's up, man? I gotta show y'all her Mustang, man. She did some stuff on it from last year. We always put, hey guys, we always put young ladies that got cars that's actually nice. Her Mustang is really nice. It looked different than it did last time you saw it over here. Look at the wrap. She got the new tires. She rewrapped it. Y'all go follow her right there on Instagram.
They got new brakes.
She got new brakes. Yeah, she got new brakes. Look at that.
Fender, bumpers all new, and that got rewrapped.
Look at the engine, guys.
Purple paint, illusion purple.
Look at this. Y'all see that flip? Look at that flip. Watch out, he finna leave. Look at that flip, guys. Yeah, go follow her. I met her last summer at the All Mustang show I went to. And that's a light up GT badge in the back.
Yes.
I remember
it now so you can see it.
Look at the exhaust. Woo.
There it goes.
Y'all see it? Lit up. She got the special tail lights too.
Yeah, these are OEM, so straight from Europe
Okay.
when they were available.
Yeah.
So yeah.
This my girl right here. She got a bad ass Mustang.
Yes,
Y'all see the flip? I'm walking down the side. Y'all see the flip? See it? Look at that. Now watch it flip. Y'all see it? Carbon fiber skirts at the bottom. Car is gorgeous. And she drive it too. She took it on the tail of the Dragon and everything, guys. It look good. She got the carbon fiber in the front. Yes, sir. Look at how clean that engine bay is. And she got a little something she want to take, and her boyfriend do all the work.
Oh yeah.
Tell him.
Yeah, he is a CTA bus mechanic, so he has experience working with many different components, electrical, lighting, and then of course like engine stuff is a big thing for him. But he has done the exhaust, he's done the brakes, he did of course many different aspects inside too. So the headers were recently installed. That's a lot of different new things.
That's a blessing to have that. Because you ain't got to pay no shop or nothing, and you know who's working on your car, and that it's going to be done right.
He had a lot of issues with finding people he trusts.
So now he do it himself.
Yeah,
That's what's up.
People don't want to be honest, and so when people, they tell him one thing, he'll just rather do it himself, and that way there's no issues then.
Yeah, that's what's up. The car is gorgeous, though. And she drives it, too, guys. She ain't playing with it. I'm going to walk around it one more time. It's, whew. Nasty Mustang. Woman owned, bro. Just got it rewrapped and everything. Ooh. Yeah, Sirski.
We fit good.
Yeah, Mustangs are a thing.
All right, girl.
All right.
I'll holler at you. Hey, holler at my boy, too, so you can get that done for real. I ain't going to say what it is on camera, but it's none of their business. But get that done for real.
I'll try to.
And guys, and she a cutie pie, too. And she got a nice car. So there it is, right there.
Nebula, that Dana Duffy.
Yep. Oh, by the way, if y'all didn't catch it the first time, go follow my girl right there. You can see the build she doing and everything. Car is absolutely gorgeous. It's nasty. All right, guys, we're going to walk around and check out some more cars. See you later. We're going to walk around and check out some more cars. It's a whole lot of cars here, man. A whole lot of cars here. This one right there. Got a Scatty. But yeah, we're gonna walk through. It's a whole lot of cars here, man. Whole lot of cars. Actually, my boy Tony did not bring the AMG GT. They had a small problem with the front wind skirt. I mean the front diffuser. They was running it, and they I just talked to him, and he had a small problem with it, so they didn't drive it. He drove his Mustang. He got a Mustang too, and a GTR. So. cars, man. We just gonna walk. Whew. Mustangs. Got a Gold Rush Hellcat. Everywhere, guys. Cars everywhere. Look at that. Oh, here it is. Got the Aston. Yeah, see, she got a little floor mat down. That is so nice. Yeah, I see it. This is nasty right here, boy. I like this.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Nice little car. A lot of stuff, boy.
You like our mat?
Like I said, a lot of cars out here, man. And it's cold out here too. But everybody come out for the car culture, man.
Yeah.
I like the color on that Audi right there. Yeah, this car was at the Tuner Gallery. It's my boy following right there. He still got his sticker from the dog over checking the gas. That's crazy. Whew. We're gonna walk over here, some cars over here. I want y'all to see this Del Sol that's over here. It's so nasty. It's actually parked right next to my car.
The Del Sol. How about you, man? Supercharger, man.
Yeah, this Del Sol right here is nice.
You like these ones? Yeah, but brand new.
Got my car. Got a BMW. We got a Gallardo. And guess what? It's a gated manual. Check it out. Yeah, I said it's a gated manual, man. This is my guy right here. Y'all seen this car in one of my videos at Chicago Auto Pros. Got another one. There's a bunch of cars in here. What's up, boy? Bunch of cars, man. Everybody out. It's cold out here too. This NSX is real nice. Woo-hoo-hoo. I like this. This is nasty. Nasty. Y'all hear it too. Got the 4 pipes in the middle. Gonna walk over here. There's a whole bunch of cars over there too. There's cars everywhere, man. What's up, man?
How's it going?
Good, man. Look at this boy. I love this color, man. I go follow him. Boy, nasty boy. Got the Nice and craft exhaust. Super. Hey guys, I'll get back with you in a minute. Hey guys, we're back. All right, boy.
What's up, dude?
I'll holler at you. Y'all see that 240?
I mean, I'd fucking grab the shit out of it, but it's too small.
Don't. It's a straight drift car, guys. He's at the tuning gallery. I'll get back with you guys in a second. Yeah, this is my buddy's day soul right here. This thing is gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. I see that turbo on there. Gorgeous car. Beautiful car. Originally on the back.
Original miles is what, 2?
I see it.
But I only drive it like in the summertime.
Somebody acting bad. This car is really nice. What's up, man?
I'm all right, man. How's it going, man?
Blessed, man. What's going
Good
on
to
with you? I
see
see
you,
you
man.
brought the beast out today.
Yeah, man. She's been sitting up all winter.
Mine
man.
too.
I'm just waiting for it to get warm outside.
Yes, sirski.
Yeah.
That's what's
Tell me
up.
about it. Good to see you again.
Good to see you again, man. The car's looking good, man.
Man, you gotta come out the north suburb.
I will. You got to call me. You got my
Yeah,
number.
man.
Look at the inside, guys. You don't even see these cars anymore. And it's a Target, too. See, that's another thing that make it special.
Plus, I did a quick release, man, last year.
Oh, you got a quick release
And
steering
still
wheel?
got the cruise control.
Okay, all right, I see.
They mounted the cruise buttons on the other side of the
Okay,
dash.
all right.
I couldn't do without cruise control.
Hey, man, this dude here got a car beautiful, man.
Thank you, man.
Yes, sirski.
Just
Yeah.
the love of Hondas, man.
Yeah,
I'm a
I
Honda
know,
guy.
I know. Just like I'm a Benz guy. Like I said, when he came, man, I had to get him a spot.
The whole car has been rebuilt. It took three.
Y'all see, I got him sitting right next to me. All right, guys, we're gonna end this video right now, and I'll see y'all on the next one. And just like that, this video is over.